Today let's talk about P2Y12 inhibitor monotherapy versus dual antiplatelet therapy after deployment of a drug-eluting stent, the SHARE randomized clinical trial. P2Y12 inhibitor monotherapy after dual antiplatelet therapy for a brief duration has recently emerged as an attractive alternative for patients undergoing percutaneous coronary intervention with a drug-eluting stent. The objective of study is to investigate whether P2Y12 inhibitor monotherapy after 3 months of dual antiplatelet therapy was non-inferior to 12 months of dual antiplatelet therapy following percutaneous coronary intervention with a drug-eluting stent. Coming to the design, setting, and participants, the short-term dual antiplatelet therapy after deployment of bioabsorbable polymer everolimus-eluting stent open-label non-inferiority randomized clinical trial was conducted from 15 December 2017 to 14 December 2020. Final one-year clinical follow-up was completed in January 2022. This study was a multicenter trial that was conducted at 20 hospitals in South Korea. Patients who underwent successful percutaneous coronary intervention with bioabsorbable polymer everolimus-eluting stents were enrolled. Coming to the interventions, patients were randomly assigned to receive P2Y12 inhibitor monotherapy after 3 months of dual antiplatelet therapy or 12 months of dual antiplatelet therapy. Talking about the main outcomes and measures of study, the primary outcome was a net adverse clinical event, a composite of major bleeding and major adverse cardiac and cerebrovascular events, cardiac death, myocardial infarction, stent thrombosis, stroke, or ischemia-driven target lesion revascularization between 3 and 12 months after the index percutaneous coronary intervention. The major secondary outcomes were major adverse cardiac and cerebrovascular events and major bleeding. The non-inferiority margin was 3.0%. Coming to results, of the total 1,452 eligible patients, 65 patients were excluded before the 3-month follow-up, and 1,387 patients were assigned to P2Y12 inhibitor monotherapy or dual antiplatelet therapy between 3 and 12 months of follow-up. The primary outcome occurred in 9 patients in the P2Y12 inhibitor monotherapy group and in 16 patients in the dual antiplatelet therapy group. The major secondary outcomes, major adverse cardiac and cerebrovascular events, occurred in 8 patients in the P2Y12 inhibitor monotherapy group and in 12 patients in the dual antiplatelet therapy group. Major bleeding occurred in 1 patient in the P2Y12 inhibitor monotherapy group and in 5 patients in the dual antiplatelet therapy group. In conclusion, in patients with coronary artery disease undergoing percutaneous coronary intervention with the latest generation of drug-eluting stents, P2Y12 inhibitor monotherapy after 3-month dual antiplatelet therapy was not inferior to 12-month dual antiplatelet therapy for net adverse clinical events. Considering the study population and lower than expected event rates, further research is required in other populations.